Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what your first assignment should look like, an introduction of yourself. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Ray Spurl. I'm the professor for this course, Methods in Teaching Secondary Science at Bethel University. I'm also the Cambridge Sandy Technology Director, and I've formerly held these positions. I've been an online assistant principal and director of curriculum at an online school. I've been a technology integration specialist and a science teacher and a coach of multiple sports like football, wrestling, track, and baseball. So a little bit about myself and my background. I attended Bethel University for undergrad and doctorate work. It was Bethel College and Seminary back during my undergrad, and it was Bethel University when I started my doctorate, way back in the first cohort in 2004. I received my Master's of Education in Curriculum and Instruction from the College of St. Scholastica. It was a fully online program. I completed that in 2002 to 2004. I'm a licensed level 4 physical science secondary education teacher in the state of Minnesota. I have a lifetime license as a physical science and chemistry teacher in the state of Wisconsin, and I'm a licensed K-12 principal in both Minnesota and Wisconsin. I taught science for 17 years, both in the brick and mortar and the online setting. I've taught accelerated chemistry and chemistry, earth science, intro to physics, intro to chemistry, and then also 11th and 12th grade physics. Online, I did teach a couple AP classes and some other miscellaneous science electives like forensic science and things along those lines. Like I said before, I've coached football, wrestling, track, and baseball, and I also was the technology integration specialist at Cambridge Sandy Schools prior to becoming the technology director. This is my family, so I'm blessed and happily married to my wife for over 2 decades. I'm thankful for our 4 beautiful children, and they range from kindergarten to college age. And then just some images of what we like to do together. So really my spare time is spent spending time with my family and just trying to build into those relationships um, and have a great time together. So I'm looking forward to this course and getting to know more about you and helping you become a future science teacher. So I hope you're looking forward to it too.